Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Viewing the Australian dollar, as you can see, the market's posted not one, not two, but maybe three dojis as it looks towards the top side of the range of 72 cents. But also to note, there is bearish divergence, which also indicates a potential downturn. Now, the call last week was a break of 70.65 that would initiate a fall to 69 cents. And as you can see from the rebound of 70.65 is now playing inside this range. But with the divergence seen here, I do anticipate if we get a close tomorrow morning in New York and another doji star is posted, then further indication that the Aussie is failing towards the top side and most probably posting or potentially laying a bull trap, which therefore could see the market turn sharply lower. But there is a few levels to the downside before that call, but the signs are definitely there to implicate that the further risk may turn back towards the support. With the US dollar posting a fresh 22-month low of 93.65, I believe, the euro has surged further and now putting it extremely overbought in the daily and also along with the weekly, as you can see here, and therefore does expect to see some turnaround very, very soon. I do anticipate, though, there is a significant trend that comes in a lot lower around this 114 region. So a call for a pullback is warranted. And therefore, I believe that the indicator for the ADX is extremely overheating. And we are extremely overbought. That a call towards this support line is viewed. Not only taking out the level of 106, it did take out the level of 105.55 as well for dollar yen, and now posts an intraday low close to this morning of 105.21. I do feel the market is a little bit oversold and time may be soon to take profit. I do feel there is a base coming in around 104.80 and therefore could see initial profit taking for dollar yen soon. With the weaker US dollar, the pound has surged but now getting into a bit of a spot as it's overbought, and therefore could see a retreat from current levels and look back towards the downside region of 127.5. But the ADX is still trending bullish, so I don't have a very, very strong call here, just an assessment of what the indicators are slowly coming to place. Taking out the support of 134 has now put the base in here around 133. Looking at the weeklies, it is more clearly from this point that could stage a rebound. So there is only left in terms of downside risk of around 60 points. And if it does hold around 133, then we should see a rebound. A significant sell-off just recently in gold after hitting a high of 1,981. It is from that rejection posted, not confirmed, a gravestone or a shooting star depending on the actual type of close. Nevertheless, the market has found a bit of a top in terms of close to that 2,000 level and therefore is warranted for a pullback in some terms to around the bottom side of this range, around 1,900 or lower, but we need further confirmation and wait till these indicators start to crumble in terms of the bull case. Nevertheless, the market has overgrown itself and now I anticipate a pullback. Wrapping up with oil, little to say. It's directionless. It hasn't really staged any significant moves as it still displays a fouled break to the upside around that 41.50.80 level. Therefore, I do anticipate the market to pull back. The call is still towards $36 a barrel, so let's see if the market plays. The MACD is continuing to remain weak. There is a little bit of divergence here, but nevertheless, I still feel the pullback is in view. That wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the great start to this new day.